Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at the Delhi International Airport and I'm doing a walking tour for any and everybody who has never been to this airport, international airport. We do normally go to domestic airports, but hardly people go to international airports. It's only whenever you go for a vacation or on an international business official trip. So, guys, come along with me, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog and to be telling about Delhi International Airport in a crisp and summarized manner. You will find there everything what a plush international airport should have, from lounges to food to international brands for shopping, makeup, perfumes, everything you name it and it's there, with proper immigration rules and proper connectivity to major countries of the world. So it justifies totally amongst one of the best airports of the world. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye.